This driver decided to explain to the child how to protect himself.
Look left, then right, then cross, or you die.
After the working day, extra problems arise.
Life. Yo! What the fuck? Are you serious right now?
Oh my god!
That's fucking fantastic.
Just a few seconds before disaster. Listen carefully to the driver's comments.
Fucking jackass. Spin out of control. Let me fucking die. Yeah! Spin out of control! Spin out of control!
He decided to change the tires while driving.
Make it impossible to justify the cost of fight outlast. Hit him quick, get out fast. Stay alive until this home show.
Where did he come from?
This is Sirius XM radio.
An ordinary day in Egypt. He didn't even tie up the tree.
Right. But when I was at the gym and I would share albums and somebody else would be at that gym, I'm like, babe, you're not gonna look me in the face.
What is going on here? He probably decided to go and spend the night with his friends.
Somebody hit the median. They tried to brake at the light, but they did it way too late, and they just fucking ass, man. He's in a sport car. He doesn't care about the rest. Because of the idiots on the road, the author of the video was simply unlucky to be here.
To build weapon systems that do not need human approval to fire. Well, this week, Anthropic's CEO said no.
The constitutional protections in our military structures.
Even the mailbox is afraid of him.
What the fuck are you doing?
Video protected.
In just 20 seconds, two disasters almost happened.
Daddy!
Jesus fucking Christ.
Just look at the driver's quick reaction. Well done. The stupidest maneuver ever made by a black car. What do you think he was hoping for? Pay attention to the pink car.
Ferlin Smith, a 40-year-old former Canadian military trainer, moves to Costa Rica to follow her dreams.
A driver without nerves show how to swear on the road.
What's that guy doing?
Holy!
Apparently he's blind.
No one was harmed in this video. Even this happens. A conflict arose between two drivers on the road.
I might be reaching every day to some, but that's why I love them all. Riding with my twin on, and we all look good as fuck. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. To look her up, I know that. My God!
Even animals managed to get here. Just a stupid driver without headlights and apparently without a license.
Go Nissan Altima driver, dude.
This in and out sucks.
Do not repeat in real life. Who do you think is at fault in this situation?
5,000 revs.
Okay. Oh, is he turning?
What is
braking. I bet he's gonna turn in here.
Oh my gosh, this is
No.
crazy. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
gosh, is this
No.
trailer? No, 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 no. Oh my gosh.
What did he do? Oh my